playing. Stop playing with these colors. Stop playing. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back y'all. Welcome back. I am super duper excited because we're about to talk about how to make this bomb sublimation journal cover, you guys. Okay guys, so we are making sublimation mini journals or mini notebooks, okay? I hope you saw the video of how I designed it. If not, I will put the link up here. It'll be down in the description as well, but we already have that in tow, okay? So these are notebooks or journals, whichever we want to call them, and you can sublimate on them. They came just what you saw. Those are the binders. I'm going to use my cinch for those, okay? So that's how we're going to bind it together using my cinch. They came 2 in a pack. Now, they came with those binders, but if you saw my last notebook video, you know I do have these spiral ones, but we're not going to do that today. I am going to use what came with it, which was the ones that I'll use my cinch for, okay? So these are the notebooks. They are 60 pages front and back, which equals to 120 pages, and the sheet size is A5, okay? I will have, like I said, my Amazon storefront link down in the description so you can get the exact ones if you want those. So I'm just opening them up, checking them out. This shiny side is the sublimation side. Okay, so the front and the back are able to be sublimated on. That will be towards the outside, okay? The inside, you cannot sublimate on it. I'm just trying to make sure that I see what it looks like. I make sure everything is right. So when I'm doing my designs and everything, I'm making sure the inches and stuff are right. So for the width, they are approximately 5.6 inches in width, okay? And then I just measured what the side was from the binder and the edge just to make sure for my design, okay? You always want to incorporate that binding side in your design. Trust me, it'll make yours look professional or not professional. The height is approximately 8.25 inches in height. Okay, and we've already seen how I designed them inside of Canva, so let's use my SAWGRASS 1000 to go ahead and print this out. And I can see already these colors are popping. I did use HIIPOO paper and SAWGRASS ink. So now they printed out wonderfully. Y'all, look at these colors already popping on the paper. You can just tell when the project is going to be the bomb, right? So these look absolutely amazing already. So now I'm going to go ahead, take the front of my sublimated journal or notebook cover, and I am going to lint roll it. Someone always asks why I lint roll things. You lint roll things so any lint, hair, dust, anything will not mess up your sublimation project, okay? The color from your hair or from the dust or lint can actually come through when it gets heated, okay? So I made these images 5.82 inches in width and 8.45 inches in height. I can't get over how cute that pink tape is. I got that from Amazon as well. It's on my storefront. Anywho, because people do ask me about that a lot. So it's on my storefront. If you want the tape, you can check it out. So anywho, I'm only going to be putting 2 pieces of tape on here. Y'all know that's a little bit for me because I go tape crazy. But I want to make sure that the actual cover of the journal or the notebook was completely covered. So that's why I always make the sublimation print a little bit larger than the sublimation substrate. I'm not sure if you know, but anytime you sublimate on something, whether it's a tumbler, mug, mouse pad, etc., you call that a substrate. So my substrate today is, of course, the journal cover, and I was making sure I was putting it on right, y'all. I don't be wanting to mess nothing up. So what I did was I literally put it like how I would be binding it and made sure that the sublimated side would be correct so that I can make sure I'm pressing it out correctly. Y'all, you want to just make sure you're doing stuff right. And you could even see here how it's open like a book. And you know that it's going to be on there right. So let's press it. Okay, y'all. So we are going to put the back one on first. I want to make sure it's right in the middle. I've learned with this machine specifically, you want to make sure that the heat plate is right in the middle portion. That's the best way for this one to work. 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, so we are going to look and see. You guys know anytime the colors come through, that's typically a good sign. All right, let's grab our heat gloves and let's see. Colors look like they popping, okay? Let's make sure we don't rip this up. It was good around the sides. Let's make sure we don't rip this up. Oh, y'all. OMG. Ooh, wait. Ooh. OMG. Yeah, this looks really good. I'm being careful with the tape. Oh, this looks good. Come through, SAWGRASS. SAWGRASS had to let us know that we ain't out the game. SAWGRASS had to let us know that our colors pop too. Oh, this looks good, y'all. OMG. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so this is the back, and then let's do the front. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, we have the front prepped. We're going to make sure we flip it over. Make sure it's in the middle of the heat press so it could get all of the heat. Cover with butcher paper. 400 degrees for 60 seconds. All right, let's see how this front one look. Let it sit for a second. All right, let's see what the front looking like. Take the butcher paper off. Oh Lord, okay. Here it is. Let's see, y'all. Ooh, oh, sooky, y'all. Baby, I just want to be real careful about this. I don't want to tear nothing up. All right, let's take a look at it. Ooh, wee. Baby, stop playing. Stop playing with these colors. Stop playing. Look at that melanin, the lipstick, the black. Oh, this looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. I am so happy with this. All right. We did it. We did it. Okay, you guys, do y'all see how these colors are popping? Seriously, popping 10, okay? Seriously, shout out to my SAWGRASS because these colors are popping, and I did use their SAWGRASS ink. Now, here's our cinch, y'all. I haven't used my cinch in so long, and I honestly have been missing it, so I was so happy to use it today. If you don't know, you know, I make journals, I make planners, all of those things. You can check out tons of other videos on how I design planners and all of those things. Anywho, so I'm just grabbing the paper, making sure that everything is right. I'm making sure that the lines are correct. These are the same at the top and bottom, but some journals are not the same at the top and bottom. So you want to make sure that when you're cinching it together, binding it, that you're doing it correctly. So I went ahead and grabbed my bindings. I'm just showing you guys how it looks. The colors are popping. Everything looks really good. So now let's get to it. I grabbed my paper first. I'm grabbing the top of my notebook or the top of my journal, and then I'm grabbing the backing of my journal, and we did it right, y'all. We did it right. So that looks amazing, and I'm just making sure everything is lined up. I'm going to go ahead and grab my wires to go ahead and bind this. Now, here's the tip for this. You want to make sure that you don't scratch your surface because you do not want to mess anything up after you put all this work into it. But you want to make sure that you're putting the wires through the front, through each page, and through the back. I've binded something mistakenly and messed one of the pages up and it will tear. You do not want to do that, okay? So be very careful that you're putting it all the way through the front, the cover, the pages, through the end. Now, this binder is typically kind of for bigger binders, but it's okay because I did it a few times and it worked. Look at that. Bind shut. And you want it to bind shut because you don't want your cover or your papers or anything to slip out. And that is how you make a custom sublimation journal or notebook using a heat press, a sublimation printer, a sublimation notebook, and the cinch. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I am very happy with this cute little viral TikTok trend that's going on right now. So like I said, if you have not watched that video, you guys can watch that video so you can see how I made it. But these colors are amazing. Seriously, everything looks really good. I like the quality of the book. And yeah, y'all. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.